I'm ready. Come on! You know the chronicles, the shit that if mama knew, the stress, the drama do, the text phenomenal, rapid fire, pecs through the abdominal. You bastard liars, me who's the honorable, bathed and clothed up, shaved and close cut, restraint from temptation, was drained from both nuts. Now in the physical form, verbalized through the scriptures, I was biblically born as Aya, Jebemiah, conceived through the blunt fire, on Kawasaki's Gorilla up on one tire, well respected, gel connected, got the method for them pretty females, perfected for sure. Very few floors, heavy Chevy 2 doors, candy painted to give a nigga the blue balls. Pause, this the life I chose, then did the 360, the ciphers closed. Come on.
The format is real sickness, contagious. Here I come, Jay-Z. There you go.
Still, I don't have to run no game, I've done those things.
Young and gifted, my tongue's prolific. In the beach bungalow is how I bung in Christmas. With a street summer flow from the hungriest district. Switch kicks, crisp when I come to them picnics. Play slow, paper chase stack and lay low. Range Rover, tinted all black, the same old. Psychic mind, righteous rhymes, then turned a new leaf on my life of crime. No concerns with new beef, who's as nice as I'm. It's confirmed from few feet, I'm still a sniper blind. Built my fame, spilt my pain. Politic and deli still trying to milk the game. It's obvious that I'm real, rap skills remain. I took some change and I'm still the same.
The format is real sickness, contagious. Here I come, Jay-Z. There you go.
Still, I don't have to run no game, I've done those things.
Learned the system, burned some ism, jotted my Jews down like journalism. How I maneuver now, it emerged through wisdom. A pilgrim, prophesize, putting words to rhythm, relating. I Adam Clayton in manifestation, patient, meditating with the animals waiting, pacing like an inmate that sealed his fate. Let some years escape, but I'm still in shape. I'm chillin', deeply rooted, a beast with music from best out to the east. I'm too at peace to lose it, beloved. I still does it, breathing off a Trump budget, fresh out of Bloomies with the Louis luggage.
The format is real sickness, contagious. Here I come, Jay-Z. There you go.
How we get down.
The format is real sickness, contagious. Here I come, Jay-Z. There you go.
How we get down.
Jay-Z. Here I come, Jay-Z. Here I come, Jay-Z. Here I come, there you go. Here I come.
How we get down.
There you go. Jay-Z. Here I come.
It's going down, y'all.
The worst, my peoples come first.
You know the deal.
When worst come the worst. When worst come the worst, my peoples
That's
come
bad,
first.
bad,
When worst come the worst. When worst come the worst, my peoples come first.
Yo, some people got good friends. At night I live my life right. Intense. On the edge, on the wire. I'm from the group where friction leads to fire. Stack your bricks, the time is take your pick. Do it, don't. The track, Alchemist. Yo, my life is good. I got my peeps in the mix, so.
Worst come the worst, my peoples come
I
first.
got worldwide family all over the earth, and I worry about them all for whatever it's worth. From the birth to the hearse, through streets the guns burst. Words I disperse are here to free minds,
yeah.
and if mine are needy, I need to feed mine.
When worst come the worst.
Set up shop and write a verse. Actually, that's best come to best. My lyrics take care of me, they therapy, get shit off my chest. Extra stress, 3-4 over the score. Different patterns of rhyming prepare me for war. So next time you